In the last 2 years, I have done 6 different businesses, side hustles, side gigs, side jobs, whatever everyone is calling it these days, because I'm trying to get to the point where I can work on my own terms and be in a place where my income is not capped by some employer or an unexpected layoff. No one is going to pay me so I can be rich. This is something that I'm going to have to do and build for myself. I've had a lot of success with these businesses, but I know that these are not for everyone. So I'll share what's worked for me and some other easy side hustles that other people are doing that most people don't even know about. And no, it is not any of those surveys or transcribing jobs that you see a lot of YouTubers talking about. These are actually real ways that you can make some money on the side. Alright, so let's go. My first side hustle idea that I did is flipping products for profit. One of the platforms that I've done pretty well on is eBay. This venture was initially prompted by my husband because he was flipping Jordans and other high-ticket shoes and making some really good and quick money. I thought, what if I could do something like this too? So I did. I buy products at discount places like TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and Nordstrom Rack and resell them on eBay. And one of my best and most unbelievable profits was flipping this Kate Spade purse where I earned over $325 profit. If you're interested in finding the secret sauce to earn thousands and maybe even making it your full-time gig, then make sure to check out Melissa and Rob's course where they help you understand how to shop, determine what you should or should not buy, and how to price those products for profit to avoid some of the mishaps of going at this alone. I was selling on eBay for about 2 months, then thought, well, what if I made this into something bigger? Selling on eBay is the best side hustle for beginners because you could sell something that you've had for years or something that you just bought and earn a pretty quick profit. Which brings me to my next side hustle idea. My next and most profitable side hustle idea is reselling products on Amazon. This was my first serious side hustle after trying to figure out how I can make money online. I earned over $40,000 in just 14 months doing this part-time in my first year. I'd heard of so many people making money by selling on Amazon that I wanted to test it out and see if it was real. And it was. On my lunch breaks and on the way home, I stopped at stores and sourced for items that I could sell. I also made sure that the items that I bought were below the 50,000 selling rank because usually anything over 100,000 is going to take a while to sell. And I wanted a quicker return on investment and really just reimbursement for my expenses. Once I got this on autopilot, this was such an easy side hustle. I did a video on this where I went into a deeper dive into what I actually sold and how I was able to earn so much. My next side hustle idea that I do is being a virtual assistant. I earn around $800 to $1,000 a month just working a few hours a week. This is one of the best ways to earn money because you're selling your skills, learning while you grow, and depending on how it goes with your employer, you could end up adding even more skills to your resume and unlocking opportunity after opportunity because of networking. Virtual assistant roles vary depending on the skills and qualifications that you could offer to clients. These include things like administrative tasks, specialized services like social media management, content creation, and customer support. I feel like lately there has been this dangling question of if a VA role could disappear because of AI. I definitely think that AI can do some of the administrative skills, but for some things, more specifically for some clients that don't know how to use AI and don't care how to learn, your clients may not even know how AI can help them. Depending on your need, you could land high-paying clients because of something that you specialize in, like media, marketing, consulting, things like that, and connect with other VAs to stay up to date on need-to-know information. I joined a few different virtual assistant Facebook groups, and people give really good advice in there. They talk about things that you may not even be aware of yet. It's like having a team, but you're working solo. One of the things that I felt a little self-conscious about at first was setting my rates, but I shouldn't have, and now my attitude has completely changed regarding this because now I am confident in the value that I provide because I over-deliver on communication, on high quality work, and proactively identifying opportunities and adding value to their businesses. And that will keep your clients happy and get you even more side hustles for extra money. Depending on your niche, you'll be able to move that pricing dial up and to the right. My next side hustle idea is blogging. I have been blogging for a few years and it's raked in thousands of dollars for me every single year. I love this because I write an article one time, make some minor updates every year, and I'm still able to earn thousands from it. It's probably the most consistent and reliable income stream that I have, and it's more on the passive side of things because this income is from articles that I've done years ago, not necessarily my new article. I'd rank blogging one of my top side hustle ideas to make money. I make money blogging by doing affiliate marketing and ads. But there are so many other ways that you can make money from blogging, like selling digital products, coaching, memberships or subscriptions, selling an online course, and even leveraging your blog's influence to secure brand partnerships. I took this course called the 6-Figure Blog Blueprint and got exclusive access to the creator of the course, who then reads my articles and tells me whether or not she thinks it will rank on Google. Now, I have to admit, she is brutal, but if you really want to make money in this business, then you have to be tough enough to take constructive criticism. And that's why I think I am where I am, because of that. She also creates a sense of urgency because on our monthly calls, she always asks us what our goals are and if we completed them. And it definitely holds me accountable. If you're considering blogging, one of the first things you need to figure out is your niche. There are some niches that I think are too crowded and may not even be worth your time, like fitness, unless you already have a strong following. Whatever your niche, you want to make sure that you can end up ranking for it on Google, because that's the end goal. SEO can help you do that. It's so important to do keyword research to make sure that you're leveraging opportunities for your articles to rank. Not only that, but you want to make sure that you read the articles that are currently ranking for that keyword to make sure that your articles are better. By doing these things, your overall objective is to grow your audience, because you need people or an audience in order to influence. I am getting closer and closer to being monetized on YouTube. My sister has been monetized for a while, and for the last 2 months she's earned over $8,000 just from YouTube. This is not affiliate marketing or anything else. This has got to be one of the best ways to make money online. Here's my stats right now, and I hope to be monetized in the next 2 months. So if you have a skill or knowledge that is beneficial for people to hear, start a YouTube channel. Create high quality videos that people want to watch. Thousands of YouTube creators have made this their most high-paying side hustle idea. And one day that will be me, and maybe you too. My next side hustle idea that I've done to earn some extra income is doing a small piece of social media management. You don't need any experience, no degree, no certification. The only thing that really matters to a client is getting results. I just so happened to be in the right place at the right time, and an opportunity fell into my lap, literally while I was getting my eyebrows done. I was able to help a small business owner create a website and build her a reputation by managing what's currently out there. Why? Because the shop was under new ownership, there was no website, no updates on Google, everything was outdated, and they had a very small following on social media. I ended up earning just a little under $1,000 for just 8 hours of work. And all I did was meet with them 4 times, ask them what they liked, what they wanted to see. I delivered by creating their website, got them all set up with hosting, added a booking feature tool, and updated their Google business profile. There's obviously a much larger piece to social media management, but because this video is on side hustles, we'll focus on the freelance version of social media management. And it doesn't even require 40 hours worth of work a week. My sister dabbled in this, and it is one of the best work from home jobs. Social media management is a process of creating and publishing content, monitoring engagement and mentions, growing a community of customers and influencers, and reporting and analyzing the results of your efforts. As a freelancer, you can contract yourself out to different businesses within your niche or only serve for startups. Once you lock in your client, you can add that to your portfolio and start looking for other accounts to help build on your bottom line. I believe that one of the best ways to set a goal for this side hustle is to determine how much ultimately you want to make in a year, and then determine how many clients per month that you'll need in order to hit that goal. Don't overload and overpromise something that you cannot deliver. This can help you determine your rate and help you put together your packages. People have this trust factor when it comes to professional websites, so once you're on your 3rd client, create a website and aggregate all of your skills, services, reviews, your portfolio, whatever helps your business's story into a beautiful website. If you build it, they will come. That helps legitimize you as a business. Sometimes the hardest part about doing something is just starting, so do not overthink it. Just start pitching. It's one of the best ways to get in front of clients. You miss all the shots that you don't take. If you made it to the end of this video, do me a favor and comment "I made it" so that I know that I'm not doing these videos for nothing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.